Reliability is one of the most important things when buying a car. So if you want an SUV that lasts for years without major issues, here are 6 of the most reliable subcompact SUVs you can buy in 2026. Number 6. Chevrolet Trailblazer, 2026. Price starts from $23,100. The 2026 Chevrolet Trailblazer is a compact SUV that delivers surprising utility, bold styling, and modern technology at a value-oriented price. It comes with a 1.3-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, producing 155 horsepower and 174 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is available for added traction and better control in different driving conditions. Inside, it features an 11-inch touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with available premium options on higher trims. The cabin seats 5 passengers, and cargo space behind the rear seats is about 25.3 cubic feet. Number 5. Jeep Compass, 2026. Price starts from $26,900. The 2026 Jeep Compass is a compact SUV that blends rugged Jeep capability with a city-friendly size. It offers solid off-road potential, especially in the Trailhawk trim, while remaining practical for everyday driving. Power comes from a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 200 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive is widely available, giving the Compass strong traction and capability on different terrains. Inside, it features an 8.4-inch touchscreen, keyless ignition, heated mirrors, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. The cabin seats 5 passengers, and cargo space behind the rear seats is about 27.2 cubic feet. Number 4. Hyundai Kona, 2026. Price starts from $24,250. The 2026 Hyundai Kona brings sharp design, strong technology, and solid value to the subcompact SUV segment. It's ideal for drivers who want modern connectivity and efficiency in a small, stylish package. Power comes from a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, producing 190 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is available for added traction and stability. Inside, it features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, along with heated seats, wireless charging, and LED light. Cabin quality is improved for a more refined feel. The Kona seats 5 passengers, and cargo space behind the rear seats is about 25.5 cubic feet. Number 3. Toyota CHR 2026. Price starts from $25,000. The 2026 Toyota CHR Electric is an all-electric, subcompact SUV that blends efficiency with modern technology and standard all-wheel drive. Power comes from dual electric motors producing 338 horsepower, paired with a 74.7 kilowatt-hour battery and standard all-wheel drive. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds and supports DC fast charging to 80% in roughly 30 minutes. Inside, it features a 14-inch central touchscreen, digital gauge display, and dual wireless phone chargers with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin seats 5 passengers, with about 25 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats. Number 2. Subaru Crosstrek, 2026. Price starts from $28,415. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek strengthens its role as a capable and versatile compact SUV, combining Subaru's all-wheel drive confidence with more power and a refined, functional cabin. Non-hybrid trims are powered by a 2.5-liter Boxer 4-cylinder engine, producing 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission and symmetrical all-wheel drive for smooth and confident handling. Inside, it offers an available 11.6-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with upgraded materials on higher trims. Passenger and cargo space remain practical for daily use, and comfort has been improved across all models. Number 1. Honda HR-V, 2026. Price starts from $27,595. The 2026 Honda HR-V continues as a smart, value-driven compact SUV that focuses on comfort, efficiency, and everyday practicality. Power comes from a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. It delivers smooth handling and a composed ride, though acceleration remains modest. Inside, it features a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. The cabin also gets fresh wheel designs and new color options for a refreshed look. It comfortably seats 5 passengers. Those were 6 reliable subcompact SUVs for 2026. If dependability matters to you, these models are great picks. Subscribe for more car rankings and reviews.